Alright, New Year's resolution. What's your New Year's resolution for the year 20? Ah,
Damn, big dude. We run that shit out here.
alright, cool, right? So, hey, it's Spirit is Dream. You already know how it goes. So, who are we here with today?
Billy Aaron's right here.
Alright, cool. Alright, so today, right? So, question's gonna go like this, right?
Yeah.
So, New Year's, right? Happy New Year's, man.
Happy New Year, bro.
Alright, New Year's resolution. What's your New Year's resolution for the year 2025? What?
Just trying to get more money, be more influential, know more people. That's what we can say.
Question, bro.
Like, Happy New Year's, right? So,
Of course. Happy New Year's, happy holidays to everybody watching.
yeah. So moving on, right? Like, what's your resolution for 2025?
Learn a new language in college. New
Get
language in
more
college.
money. Get busy.
You cannot.
You know what I'm saying? Get busy.
Money is the main priority.
Fuck bitches get money.
Ooh, smooth with it. Alright, so moving on, right? On the topic of relationships, right? What does love mean to you guys? What does love mean to you?
Someone faithful, someone who believe in me, someone who support me.
What's the other one? What's the question?
What does love mean to you?
Love?
Yeah.
Someone loyal, faithful, and honest. Honesty is the most important key to it. Honesty. That's what we're looking for, bro. Come on. Real niggas looking for honesty.
Look, I'll tell you like this.
Yo, somebody move that nigga out of there, bro.
That nigga's a little drunk. Look, love is finding someone who's worth fighting for, all right? Look, everybody is gonna give you pain, but you gotta have to find the one. You gotta have to find the one that's worth suffering for, all right? That's what love is, bro.
That shit for the camera.
So he gonna suffer for cheating?
Hey, what's your channel, bro?
Come on.
Purity's dream.
What is it?
Purity's dream. I'll type it up for you.
Suffer for cheating?